everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix Model J. Great car, guys. I've driven this car multiple times now. I mean, it runs and drives like a little baby doll. Great car. Factory color combination, factory garnet red with the burgundy interior, they call it, the white vinyl top. Bunch of paperwork with the car. I think the original PHS documentation's there for it. Car was originally out of Colorado. It's got like 90-some thousand actual miles on it. And just a great car. I'm telling you, I'd jump in this car and drive it anywhere. Bought it from a gentleman. He didn't do much to it. He just had it for a few years. I actually talked to the gentleman that he bought the car from. He owned the car for several years. So it's been about, he said, 6 years ago. Motor and trans were completely redone. He cammed it up a little bit. I think these cars are originally 350 horse. So it's probably a little more than that. Really runs out great. You can see it's got gorgeous garnet red paint on it. Sorry about the dust. It's just so doggone dusty out here. It's got all the original T3 headlights. He says the bumpers, all the chrome and stainless. He said all that stuff's original. This car has been very well maintained. Somebody's not just owned this car, they've loved this car. Glass is nice, car hits the road great. Again, it's got the factory, that's a factory, I think they call it Burgundy. It's kind of a reddish interior. Little mark on here. In fact, somebody's got a little dirt on that top. I'll make sure the guys wipe it down, clean it up a little bit. The interior on the car is supposed to be all original. Good, solid, straight body. He said it's got all the original body panels. He said the paint on this car is actually older. He did not have it painted. And it's very, very nice. Got a little discolorization on your quarter extensions there. And that's kind of common as paint gets a little older because this is a little bit different type of metal. But look how nice the bumpers are. That stuff's original. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Rally 2's on it. I think it's got BF Goodrich Radial T all the way around it. Man, I want to put a set of wheels on this car. I think this car would just look great with a nice set of wheels. But I left it alone. I let the next guy do it. But I think wheels would be awesome on this car. Again, factory rally wheels. BF Goodrich Radial T all the way around it. Front disc brakes. That's a good looking car right there. Again, matching numbers, 400 cubic inch engine. Again, I think from the factory, they were 350 horse. It's probably a little bit more than that now because of the cam. Air blows ice cold. That's just been gone through. Stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Power steering, power front disc brakes. Great car, man. And again, just drives like a little sweetheart. Just floats down the road. Factory door handles, see, they're real nice. Stainless is all in real nice shape. Look how nice those door seals are. Factory door pads. Like, but again, I think you can buy these new now. I kind of left it alone because it's original. This stuff's all original in here. Door jambs are nice and clean. It's got all the factory seat belts. Headliner looks good. Again, factory buckets with center console, tilt column. All fuel gauge works. I don't think the clock is working. 99,988, so it's about to turn that 100. Factory AM radio works. Again, the air blows ice cold. It's got a good sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust system. Stock rear axle. Just a little dust, guys. So dusty out here. Spackle painted trunk, factory jack with the old bias ply Goodyear spare. Again, a little history on the car, and then that's of course all your PHS documentation. Great car, man. This is the kind of car a guy buys, drives, just has an absolute blast with. There's your original dealer emblem on the back deck right there. But this is the kind of car that a guy buys from us and just cruises, has an absolute blast with, and enjoys. These cars drive so good. So they're really a pleasure to drive, man. Just float down the road. Nice car right there. Turn the key, point the direction. Good car. It just runs out great. Baby's got your air on. It blows cold. Getting a little exhaust leak on this side. I'll have the guys check it. Again, air just blows ice cold. Great sound, and fuel gauge works, speedo works. Backup lights work. It's just a great car right there. Factory AM radio does work. Yep. You just got to get a station ready, set it on. Yep. Everything opens and closes nice. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us through our Instagram page and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button here at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Coming out hot.